How to reset your thermostat to default settings.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to reset your thermostat to its default settings. It's a simple process, and it can be quite useful if you're encountering issues with your thermostat or if you've changed some settings and now want to revert back. Remember, always ensure safety first when dealing with electronic devices. Let's get started.
What is a thermostat reset?
A thermostat reset means restoring the factory default settings. It's the condition your thermostat was in when it was first purchased and installed. This process wipes any personalized settings you've inputted and can often help resolve minor glitches or issues. Keep in mind that resetting the thermostat will clear all your programmed schedules and settings.
Locating your thermostat model.
Before we start, it's important to know the model of your thermostat. The process to reset varies slightly from model to model. The model number is usually found on the back of the thermostat or within the settings menu on the thermostat screen.
General steps to reset thermostat.
While the exact steps can vary slightly based on the model, the general procedure for most thermostats is as follows. 1. Ensure the thermostat is on. The display should be lit, indicating the device is active. 2. Access the settings menu. This is typically achieved by pressing a button labeled Menu, Settings, or something similar. 3. Navigate to the reset option. Use the arrow keys to move through the menu until you find an option that says Reset, Restore Factory Settings, or similar. 4. Confirm the reset. Once you've selected the reset option, you will usually need to confirm your decision. This is typically done by pressing a button marked Yes, Confirm, or OK. Remember, each thermostat model may have slight variations in this process.
Confirming the reset.
Once you've completed the reset, the thermostat should restart itself. You'll know the reset has been successful if your personalized settings are no longer present and the device has reverted to its default settings. Ensure to reprogram your thermostat after the reset to fit your heating and cooling needs. And that's it. That's how you can reset your thermostat to its default settings. I hope you found this guide useful and easy to follow. Remember, when in doubt, always refer to your thermostat's user manual or contact customer support. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.